Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pick image from camera and gallery in Flutter by using image picker package. Okay, I've created this new Flutter project and I've opened it on VS Code. Now let's open up the leaf folder and window.file. Okay, in the leaf folder, let's create a new file, homepage.file, and here let's create a stateful widget. Let's change the class name to homepage and let's return here scaffold. Okay, save it and open up the main.file. Now let's delete this stateless widget and let's send the class name to my app. Okay, now let's return here material app with the home page that we have just created. Now go to the google.com and search for NBK version. You'll get this link here. Click on this link. Okay, now copy this latest NBK version and open up this Android folder in this project directory and app folder and this file clean.gradle.kts. Now inside this Android you will get this Android NDK version. In this NDK version paste this version code and save it and close it. Close this file, close this folder. Okay, now run this app in the emulator now. Okay guys, now go to the pop.tip and search for image picker. You'll get this package link over here, which has like 1.87 million downloads for now. Okay, click on this link package and click on this installing tab. Okay, I'm going to run this command in the terminal to add the package, image picker package, or you can just copy this and add to the dependency in this obspec.yml file and run this command. Flutter update. Okay, I'm going to run this command. Flutter add image picker. Okay, now if we open up this obspec.yml file, as you can see, this new package has been added to our Flutter project. Now let's remove this debug banner, open up the main.file, and inside this method app, let's make this debug scope set mode banner false, and we should remove this. Now in the home page body, let's click the column and children to the column, and right here text in the text right here is from gallery and camera. Let's start font size equals to 22. Okay, make the main axis alignment axis element center with the column and wrap this center column with the center widget. Okay, now open up the browser and click on this readme tab. Okay, in this link and roll down and let's copy this now and here over here let's say slice this image speaker. Let's import this image speaker package now and let's create the function. Okay, let's write here white image picker and okay, copy this and paste it here and for this Let's copy this image source and we pass it like this. Image source, and for this image source dot gallery, now we pass this source. Okay, now let's initialize this image. Over here, file, import restart dot studio and image. Okay, and let's put now if let's change this to picked image. If this picked image not equals to null, then set the state. Set the state. Okay, now we can put this image. This image equals to picked image. Okay, like this. You need file. Okay, picked image dot path. Okay, we'll get the path. Okay, to this picked image, and we assign this to here to this image variable. Okay, now roll down over here below this text. Let's do the size box and with the height of 15, and below here let's create the container. Give the child image dot file, and for the file we'll put image. Zero to fit box fit get cover, and here let's get the white 200 the container and height of 100. Here we get the image from here. Okay, while you show this image if not equals to on, else let's show the text maybe right here. No image has been updated. Okay, now let's see. Cool. Okay, give the decoration. Box decoration to the container. Give the color. Colors dot. Uh, let's give colors. Mm, let's give the border. Border dot all. Colors dot. Wait, let's see. With the white. Wrap this text with the center of it. Okay, now below this container, let's create the elevated button and make the on-paste function blank for now. And in that text, write here image from gallery like this. And we have image picker function. Now let's keep image picker image source dot camera. Okay, for this gallery. Okay, now let's try to pick image from gallery. Okay, reload the app again. And let's try to pick the image from. Stop the app and run the app again. Now let's try to click on this. Okay, now select the image and here you go. Here's the image. Okay, now let's create another elevated button. Just copy this and paste it here and change this to camera and change this to camera. And let's click on this pic. Paste from camera and camera will open. Click on this and click on this. Okay, and here we go. Okay, now let's create another elevated button and make this on press button blank and also text with the text and here enter your image and in the set state now let's clear that image. It's holding the image here. Okay, and make it no. And now let's click on the secure image. There you go. Okay, guys, this is how you can create image picker, big image from camera and gallery in Flutter by using image picker package. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And we only use this these two codes to pick image in this video.